Are you ready? Then welcome back and sit back and relax and watch me create one of the most delicious and nutritious recipes that us Jamaicans make during the season of Lent. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. And here is my seasonings, fresh seasonings. Over here we have some scallion, chopped up scallion, red onion. I have a small tomato here. I have some sliced up green pepper, bell pepper, white onions, fresh thyme, chopped up garlic, a piece of hot pepper. When we say hot pepper, this pepper is what we call in Jamaica ragging hot. Some allspice seeds, which we also call pimento seeds. And that's the seasoning that's gonna go on this steamed fish combo. Stay tuned. So here I have a pink snapper, or is it red snapper? It's been in the freezer and it's Lent season. So I'm gonna start my Lent by eating just non-red meat. So here is a red snapper, normal size, and two porgies. So I'm gonna clean these up and wash them off. Them clean already, But when you buy fish at the market and them clean it, you have to go over it a little bit and make sure it's okay. So all the scales are off. Make sure all the scales are off, and you know me I say everything is good. So me I go over them, clean them up, and then we're gonna start to season. So now they're nice and clean and ready to get seasoned up. So here I have just onion powder, Maggi fish seasoning, a little Lorry's 25% less sodium seasoning salt, paprika, all-purpose adobo, and of course you have to have some fish soup seasoning, right? Fish soup mix. But that's for later. So for now, we're just gonna work, or I'm just gonna work with the powder seasonings here and let this sit and marinate. It's that black pepper. All right, so it's all seasoned up with the powder seasoning, and I'm gonna add something else on this that is a must. Two other things. I'm gonna stuff it with the fresh garlic. I'm gonna stuff the inside with the fresh garlic, and I'm gonna add some Old Bay. This is a must, people. So let's get that in there. Just gonna stuff the inside, the little slits right here that I made, the little incisions, with garlic. Right, and we're gonna put some on the inside as well. Put some in here. And some in here as well, in the little slits, right? The little incisions that I made are like little pockets for the seasonings, you know, for me. For me, some people make slits because it look pretty. Some do it because they say the fish get to cook right through. Fish don't take long to cook, it's fish. But the incisions look pretty, and for me they serve as a little pocket for seasonings, right? So yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna add some Old Bay. People, as you guys should know by now, I always say layer your flavors, layer your food flavor with flavors. Layer flavors, guys. Can't go wrong with that. Hmm? Food for taste nice, not true? Yeah, man. So layer flavors. Yes, yes. And there we have it, people. There we have it. Our porgy and the red snapper ready, right? These fresh seasonings here, that's for later. So stay tuned and see all this come together. Don't forget, guys, like up the video, no man, thumbs up the video, and hit the subscription button and hit the bell so you get to know when Muda Production posts something new. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna add just a small piece of this pepper. Remember I told you this pepper right in with the rest of the seasoning that's on the plate to the mix. So now I'm gonna add some okras, pumpkin, and Irish potato, white potato, to the mix, and then make everybody saute up together. So I want to make sure the vegetables are cooked through. So I'm going to add just a little bit more water in there. Then I'm going to add the fish with all those powder seasonings on them right inside the pot with the veggies. So some of that flavor, some of those flavors could impart on those vegetables. It's going to be so good. Mm-mm. Wow, wow, wow. Tell the truth. Doesn't that look nice? With the butter and all these seasonings, man. Just imagine the taste. Fresh seasoning and dry seasoning. All together, powder seasoning. Look at that thing, man. Beautiful. Here's the fish soup mix now. Here's where the magic come through. Guys, as you would know if you watch all my videos, I love to layer flavors. I can't stress it enough. Layer flavors, guys. On the real, layer your flavors. I'm just dissolving the mix in some cold water. That's it. All right, so my fish soup mix is ready for the party. Remember, it's a fish soup mix. So it has little noodles in there, but it gives such beautiful flavor to the dish. Look at that. Mm-mm. I wish they had smell-o-vision. That then again, that might not be too far-fetched, because nowadays technology is amazing. But just look at that, guys. Don't you want to try this? Don't you want to taste it? In Jamaica, well, Jamaica is a Christian island. Growing up in Jamaica, God-fearing Christian island. Lent, if you're a Christian and observe Lent, the season of Lent, which began on Ash Wednesday. I forgot what date it is in March. You eat just fish, no red meat, no red meat. And in Jamaica on Good Friday, oh my goodness, the price of fish skyrockets, during the season of Lent, because everybody eating fish. Everybody buying fish. Any type of fish you could think of. It's being bought and being cooked in every kitchen. OMG. Can you dig it? Look at the okra, the pumpkin, the potato, the tomato, all these seasonings, the green bell pepper that's in this fish. Steamed down fish, yard style, Jamaican style. Look at the noodles, man. Try it, guys. It's nice seeing me. Whether you want to leave the head on or off, you will love it.